thanks guys, awesome as always, thank you. Welcome to episode 7. Episode 7! I mentioned something about a national Kiwi dish. Well, this is going to be it. Everyone knows what a boil up is. I've just sort of put these out for the moment so you can find out what we're using. What we've got here is a meaty hock, and I got this. Look, I'll just show you that. That cost $11, okay? $11 from the supermarket. Normally, if you're talking about a boil up, it would be pork bones and puha. But I went searching actually down the road and I couldn't find any. So this is going to be the meaty hock with some watercress. Of course, the good old sweet potato, or as they call them, kubras. The good old potato, one nice big onion. I've just got the mortar and pestle here. I'm just going to grind up some salt, but I've also thrown in some fennel seed. I know it's probably not traditional, but I want to use it, so that's that. And that's really it. How are we going to cook it? Well, we're going to boil up the hock first. You have to have a pot for this. Take a fair bit of water because you're going to throw everything in there eventually. You could feed like 6 to 18 people depending on the size of the pot. But here we're going to do, it's just going to be 3 or 4 servings. So it's going to last 2 or 3 days. So we'll go to the next step. All right? We've got our big pot in the sink. We've got our nice meaty hock. Plunk it straight in. Fill it with water, so just cover it. Plunk a few onions in. Probably enough water. It just covers the hock. I've ground up some of that fennel and salt, and I'm going to put some of that in. That'll just go on the stove, and we'll bring it to a boil. Just keep it simmering away there for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Okay? So that's that step. Okay, we've got the watercress, and we're just giving it a wash. Yeah, beautiful. And I've already chopped up the potatoes. I didn't take the skin off because I like the potatoes with the skin on, but I did peel the sweet potato. They're all ready to go. Anyhow, let's do another song. Another step in the process, this is the piece resistance of a boiler, and they're called Doughboys. It's just a cup full of self-raising flour. So, just going to sift it. Beautiful. A little bit of salt, got some salt here. I'm using a little bit of fennel as well. And just a little bit of water, maybe about a quarter of a cup, just so you can get a nice little dough going, you know. At this stage we've made a big ball and we're going to turn them into little Doughboys and they'll go into the mixture when we're about half an hour out from serving. Here we go, look at this, you just make these up into little balls like so. Just like that. Little Doughboys, little round ones. Like so. The next step is we're going to put the vegetables in. This has been going for about an hour and a half, maybe a little bit more. It's really good with the glass top because I can see that we've got plenty of water. It's still boiling away gorgeously, so that's no worries. Take that off. Here we go. Let's put in the potatoes gently. Sweet potato. So okay, we've got the veggies in. We'll give it half an hour. Then we'll do the watercress and then the Doughboys. Okay, so what we did was veggies went in and the veggies cooked for 45 minutes. And then I put in the watercress. I cut the bunch in half so that they weren't long pieces, but you know, shortened them down. Put them in and simmer away with the root vegetables. That was for about half an hour. And then I dropped the Doughboys in on top and they cooked for about 40 minutes. So this is where I'm at with that now. So that's ready to go. Oh, gotta tell you, it smells really good. I've cooked quite a bit here. I haven't got 6 people in the house, but this will keep me going for 2 or 3 days. So it's a great meal. It costs nothing. So there you have it. All plated. Gee, it looks yummy. All those vegetables, that pork's just falling apart. That's it. Episode 7, Baz's Boil Up with Doughboys. So used to way back as a kid back in NZ. I hope you like it. That's episode 7 for this week. Hopefully we'll see you again next week with episode 8. We'll probably go out with a tune, won't we, boys?